Jesus warns us, don't just polish the outside of the cup while the inside is full of greed. True faith starts in the secret places of the heart, where only God can see and wash us clean.
In the heavy silence of Gethsemane, the king whispered, "Not my will, but yours." He embraced the cup of our suffering so that we could finally walk in the freedom of his perfect obedience. At the moment of his death, the thick temple curtain was torn from top to bottom. The barrier is gone. Through his sacrifice, you now have direct access to the very throne of the living God. He is not here. He has risen just as he said. The empty tomb is the receipt of our redemption, proving that death has no sting and the grave has no victory over those who are found in him.
With all authority in heaven and earth, the King commands us to go and make disciples. Our identity is now defined by this global mission, to share the light of the gospel with every nation. As Jesus steps into the Jordan, the heavens tear open and the Father declares his delight. We are reminded that our own baptism marks the start of a life dedicated to the service of the King. I am willing, be clean, with those words. Jesus touches the untouchable. He shows us that the kingdom of God isn't found in a palace, but in the restoration of the broken and the hurting. He chose 12 ordinary men to turn the world upside down. Today, he calls you to leave your nets behind and follow him into a life of purpose that outlasts the temporary things of this world.